In this BellaDati tutorial, we will take a look on how to perform periodical data import from a standard SQL database into BellaDati. Before we start, make sure you have the data manager role and you have the database connection parameters ready. Let's move on. Open the data sources page and select the SQL database connector. BellaDati Cloud by default supports databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle or Microsoft SQL Server. However, it is possible to use standard JDBC driver to connect to other databases. In this tutorial, we will connect to PostgreSQL database containing some HR data. Now fill in the connection parameters. As host, use the test-db. Database is public-db. The user is BellaDati-public. And password is public. These settings may vary depending on the database vendor. After clicking on Continue, BellaDati tries to connect to the database using provided parameters. If everything is okay, we are redirected to the import settings page. The first step here is writing the SQL query. In our case, we can use a simple query. After submitting the query, we can use the usual import settings page and we can change meanings of particular columns and do some transformation if needed. If we are ready with the import settings, we can go ahead by clicking on the Continue button. Finally, we can see data source overview. We can change all the actual settings. Check the availability of the database. And start import immediately. Or use the scheduler available on the dataset overview page to plan one-time or periodical imports in the future. After the import has been finished, you can verify the imported data and create reports from them. Let's create a simple report. Let's say we want a simple chart displaying some payroll statistics. Thank you for watching this BellaDati tutorial. The next video is available here.